Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Mahwah, New Jersey, just completing a handicap accessible shower enclosure. And this is a bifold style. So just to show how this works. So this guy works on a single top roller. Closes up. Glass to glass hinge application. Everything's in polished chrome. So to open a bifold in this series, you grab this little nub here. Just give her a pull. And this is technically supposed to be a two-handed operation, but it's actually quite easy to do just one-handed. And when it gets to this point, you just give it a push until it straightens up. There you go. Alright, if you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit our website at njglassstores.com. Thanks.